Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone display and brightness setting. And guys, today video title is guys auto brightness. How can we use in Infinix phone? Friends, you want to use guys your auto brightness in your Infinix phone. So how can you use it and how can you enable it? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of settings of how can we on guys auto brightness means guys how can we enable and how can we use it. Then we will click on display and brightness setting, and friends you can see this type of setting. Friends, click on second option guys, adaptive brightness, and friends now you can see a brightness level. After on guys this auto brightness guys, your brightness level will decrease automatic guys. You can see guys this 67, 84 like that guys, your brightness will increase and decrease automatic in your Infinix phone device. So guys, like that guys, you can enable guys your Infinix phone auto brightness mode, and friends you can use it. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching.